The first example related to the exponential curve or the power curve or the geometric curve. The very first curve, if you observe, this will be called as power curve or the geometric curve, which is y is equal to a into x to the power b to the following data. So what is the data provided to us? Values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Values of y are 2.98, 4.26 and it is lastly 7.5. So यहाँ पर n कभी नहीं लगेगा या लगेगा अपन देखते हैं. So in total number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means n is equal to कितना है यहाँ पर 6. Now the curve to be fitted is y is equal to a x to the power b. Exponential curve, power curve or geometric curve, the best process to simplify them into the linear form is take log to the base 10 on both the sides. Mean take the common logarithm. So taking log of both the sides will give you log of small y to the base 10 is equal to log to the base 10 of ax to the power b. But log mn is log m plus log n, and it gives you log of a to the base 10 plus b into log of x to the base 10. But log of y to the base 10 is represented by capital Y. Log of a to the base 10 is represented by capital A. Log of x to the base 10 is represented by capital X. So our standard linear equation becomes y is equal to capital A plus small b into capital X. So capital Y is this, where capital A is this and capital X is this. Now I have to generate the normal equation. It is a straight line which is a transformed equation. The normal equations are: what is coefficient of constant capital A? 1. Multiply throughout by 1 and take the summation. So it will give you summation y is equal to n into a plus b into summation x. Second constant is small b. Multiply by coefficient of small b which is capital X throughout and take the summation. तो क्या बन रहा है? Capital XY summation is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. N is equal to 6. So various values involved in the normal equations can be obtained by tabular representation. So make the table. What is the table? Small x is provided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Small y is provided 2.98, 4.26, etc. But I am no more concerned with small x and small y. My normal equation contains now transformed values: capital X square, capital XY. So how capital X is generated? Capital X is log of small x to the base 10. While writing, I am writing it as log to the base 10. But while calculating, what you do? Log of 1 will be 0. Log of 2 will be 0.3010. Pressing the button log in the calculator, by default it is taking log to the base 10. लिखते वक्त मुझे बताना है log to the base 10. कैलकुलेट करते वक्त डायरेक्टली बटन प्रेस करना है log वाला, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो वैल्यू निकल जाएगा. इफ यू कमिट अ मिस्टेक, ln of 2 will be different, log of 2 will be different. तो यहाँ पर ln of 2 नहीं लेना है. ln of 2 will represent or tell us that base is e, but here particularly I am required to have log to the base 10, so I will be pressing the button log. तो यहाँ पर आप log of 1 0, log of 2 0.3010, log of 3 such kind of values will be obtained. So this is the column for capital X. Summation of capital X is addition of all these. Likewise, from small y, I generate the value for capital Y. Capital Y कैसे निकलेगा? log of small y. Log means log to the base 10. So in the calculator, press log of 2.98. वो ये देगा. ln of this will be different, log of this will be different. So log of 4.26 will be this. Similarly, calculate all the values in the column of capital Y, take the summation. That summation will be 4.3133. Abhi summation capital XY is required. So first you take the product of capital X and capital Y. In doing so, be careful. आपको प्रोडक्ट लेना है कैपिटल X and कैपिटल Y. Means this value, this value. Do not get confused between small x and small y. So take the product of this. Summation will give you the last answer. Take square of capital X in the calculator. Write down all the values. Take the summation. So it is summation x square. Now, as per the requirement of the normal equation, which is given by 3 and 4, we have got all the values. Put them, solve them simultaneously. Here we have capital A and small b as the unknowns, that is unknown constants. But in the calculator, when you substitute, this will be capital small x and this will be small y. So getting down the values by putting the coefficients like this, you will be getting the value of small x and small y in the calculator, which are our capital A and small b. So from the calculator, substituting the coefficients approximately or appropriately for this particular equation. What is our equation? 6a plus 2.8574b is equal to this. 2.8574a plus this b is equal to this. So substitution calculator पे कैसे होता है? Coefficient 6, this, then 2 point this. After that you get x and y, क्योंकि कैलकुलेटर में अननोन वेरिएबल x और y है, उस पर से अपना a निकलेगा कैपिटल A एंड स्मॉल b. स्मॉल b को अनटच रखना है. Do not disturb this small b because it is required in the curve. From capital A you calculate small a. कैपिटल A अगर 0.4740 है तो स्मॉल a क्या होगा? 10 to the power capital A. 10 to the power 0.4740 will be 2.9785. Now I am available with small a and small b. Substituting that in the given original curve will give you best fit equation for the power curve